The Bad Dog Biter has 2 patents on it. And after you use it for a while, you'll really appreciate this steerable head. But when you get to the point where you're changing a blade, that's when you really love the Bad Dog Biter. First, there's all sorts of biters out there, nibblers, things you can buy. To change these blades, it's like an act of Congress. You have to pull out set screws. The pull falls apart in your hand when you change the blade. It's set screws, Allen screws. That can be a real pain. To change the blade in your Bad Dog Biter, it's just 2 separate things you have to do. First, you have to take the spring ring out right here. Once you remove that, take off the plastic cap. That's where your grease goes. Loosen this Allen wrench, this Allen screw. Take that out. Push the new blade in. It will push the old blade right out of the way. And that's all there is to it. Line that up again underneath where that screw goes. Put the Allen screw back in. Tighten it up. Put your cap back on. Put your snap ring back in. And you're done.